Hello everyone, so in this video I'd like to show you how you can recreate the visuals of an existing dashboard by identifying and checking the properties of the visuals. So let's get started. This dashboard was designed by the PowerBI core visuals team. I'll put a link to their LinkedIn page and original article for this dashboard in the video description below. So let's have a look at the dashboard. So this dashboard analyzes the sales opportunities for a bicycle company's products, focusing on key metrics like revenue, units sold, sales channels, and color trends to optimize their sales performance and strategy. First, let's make a copy of the existing report page so that we can work from the duplicate. The first step is to select the visual. You can then identify the visual type used under the Visualization tab. The selected visual will be highlighted in gray. Next, you can identify the data columns assigned to the visual by placing the cursor over the data column name. You can also identify the data columns under the data pane. The selected data columns will have a green check next to it. If it's a measure, as in this case, select it and view the DEX calculation in the formula bar. Next, let's look at the visual format properties. Click on Format Your Visual tab. Notice that the properties are grouped under two tabs, Visual and General. Browse through the properties under each tab and view the properties assigned. This process requires a lot of patience, but I assure you that you will learn a lot, so take your time as you work through the visuals. The same process applies to the next visual as well, which is the matrix visual. So you identify the visual type, view the data columns assigned to the visual, and view the properties under the Format Your Visual tab. The next visual is interesting because it has several objects and visuals overlapping each other to create this visual. Let's delete the other visuals to give us more space to work with. Now let's move the visuals or objects to view the properties of each. Some visuals or objects are grouped together to allow them to be easily moved around as a single unit on the report canvas. So to ungroup these visuals, simply right-click, then select Group and then Ungroup. Take note, at times there might be several groups applied, so simply right-click on the visual to verify. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you got some value in this video. If so, please consider supporting the channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.